What's going on guys, Chris Solve here, and if you watched the last video that I uploaded on my channel, you'll know that I came up with a 1-algorithm 3x3 method, and in this video I'm going to be showing myself applying that method and trying to solve the puzzle as quickly as possible. I read out the scramble at the beginning and it will also be in the description below, so feel free to try out my method as well and see what times you can get. I'm really excited to see if you guys can do it as quickly as me. You probably can, because it was a slow solve, but we'll see what happens. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in a few days. R2, D2, L prime, U2, R prime, F2, R2, F, U, L2, R2, F2, U prime, V prime, L2, V, U, F, R, F, U, L2, V2, U, D. Alright.